Hi, everyone! This video will introduce you to how to shorten a video in 2 good ways. Way 1. How to shorten a video with MiniTool MovieMaker. Open MiniTool MovieMaker on your computer. Click the New Project button to enter the main interface. Click Import Media Files to upload the long video. Directly drag and drop the video onto the timeline. Click the Zoom to fit timeline icon. Move the cursor to the start or end of the video until it turns into a double-headed arrow. You can trim the video by dragging the arrow rightward or leftward. Or you can move the playhead to the desired place. And click the split icon. Then right-click on the target part and select the delete option. Also, you can click the video and click the speed icon. Select fast and choose one from 2x, 4x, 8x, 20x, or 50x. Click the export option in the player section. Name the video and choose a folder to save it. Then select the format you need and click the export button. Way 2. How to shorten a video on YouTube. Sign into YouTube Studio. Click the Content option from the left menu. Click the thumbnail or the title of the target long video. Select the Editor option from the left menu. Click the Trim and Cut option to shorten the long video. Then drag the edges to the start and end of the video you want to keep. Later, click the Save button. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.